Good morning, friends. In previous lecture, we discussed the terminology of helical gear, in which we also focused on new terms that helix angle, and we already discussed few equations for that. Also, we are using normal plane and transaction plane, transverse plane for the helical gear, and different module and circular pitch for that. Now moving forward, we are going to I am going to show you the different equation that we will use for the helical gear. In spur gear, we already discussed a few equations of beam strength, wear strength, and effective load and dynamic load. But in helical gear, we can use same all equation, but with few changes, as we discuss in the terminology of helical gear, that the teeth of helical gear is inclined with the rotation of axis. That's why we have to consider a virtual gear for which is equivalent to the spur gear. So for that, all terms that are used in spur gear will be converted in the virtual term. Suppose first is Z dash. So for the number of teeth we are using, we will use for helical gear Z dash. Z dash is a virtual number of teeth. If it is not virtual, then the number of teeth Z up will be used, but for the virtual number of teeth we are using Z upon cos cube psi. Same way, if the teeth is changed, then obviously Lewis form factor is changed, so Y dash we will use. In second equation is beam strength FB is equal to sigma B into Mn. These all terms are same as in we use in spur gear. One term is changed is Y dash. Now second, wear strength. So for the wear strength we can use dP dash, B dash, Q dash, K dash. dP dash is equal to dP upon cos square psi. So for the pitch circle diameter, we will use virtual pitch circle diameter dP dash is equal to dP upon cos square psi. Virtual face width B dash is equal to B upon cos psi. And Q dash, virtual Q dash is equal to 2ZG dash upon ZG dash plus ZP dash. For all teeth, we already discussed equation ZP dash. For Z dash equation is Z upon cos cube psi. So for ZG dash we will use ZG upon cos cube psi, same as for the other terms. So the equation will remain same as that we use in spur gear. Putting all equations in this equation of beam strength, wear strength, so we get a new equation. It is FW dP BQK upon cos square psi. So this all changes we will use in numerical of helical gear. Thank you.